Hello guys and gals, welcome back. Today I'm going to use my vast music theory knowledge to show you some hacks on how to pitch samples with great results. Let's go. Okay, so really quick trick to add some flavor to your sample. We've got this C# minor classic stab here. You know the type. I've paired that with a C# bass. Nice and simple, and they sound like this. Let me just add some delay and reverb. Okay, so here's the flavor trick. Make a copy, and we're going to add +7 to the pitch. Fun fact, it's now a 9th chord. Here's without. Here's with. That goes for any chorded part, not just one shots. I've got a loop here. Let's add it back to itself. Add 7. Simple. Remember that. Try adding 7 to any chorded sample. See what you get. Okay, so you've heard this major happy, minor sad thing, right? Well, I prefer major upbeat, minor more serious. Regardless, what if you wanted to try your major track as a minor track? Here's a simple hack. Here we have a bunch of loops in C major, vocals, arp, stab, bass. Now, check this. I'm not going to change any of the parts apart from the bass. And we put the bass -3. Now everything is in A minor. So remember, major to minor, bass -3. Okay, what about the other way around? What if you wanted to try minor into major? Simple. Bass -4. Minor to major, bass -4. Okay. Last trick. Now, you might be thinking from that last exercise, does the bass have to stay static? And the answer is no. We can move it around. And that's going to give us progressions. Say there's a break coming up. We've got an arp. And a vocal, why not? And we want it to move. But we don't have access to a chord progression, right? Wrong. So half my bass, I'm going to put -4. And the rest back to 0. But guess what? We ain't done yet. -4 isn't the only compatible one. There's also -7. So without changing any actual chords, we now have a 3-part chord progression. How cool is that? So we don't need the chords to change for us to be able to change the chords. And if you're wondering what the major equivalent is our major track, everything in. If you remember from earlier, we can go -3. And now we can also use -7. So we've got -3, -7, 0. There you go. How to make progressions when you don't have any progressions. Okay, I hope that helped somebody. If you liked it, leave us a like. If you loved it, leave us a sub. And if you want me to cover anything else, ask below. Until next time, bye-bye.